Hey guys, I'm Rohit Rajan here. Today we're going to discuss about a very basic and a simple topic which you guys asked me to talk about in my personal messages. That is what you need to open an account and start trading. So when you're going to start trading, you need to open a trading account with the brokerage firm. So there's a lot of brokers available in the broker industries, and how to choose the broker you want to go with is you can look at the broker's leverage they provide and the brokerage fees and the customer service and all those things, and after that, when you trust upon a broker, you can go with the next procedure of submitting your legal proofs. The list of documents required to open an account is your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, your bank statement, and your income proof, then your passport size photo, I think. So when you have all those documents ready, you can submit to your broker directly. So now you can come up with the question that how will I submit all my legal proofs to a private firm? That is, all the brokerages that are registered under Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, are legit, I would say, that are secure. Like we submit our proofs to our bank, right? So bank is directly governed under RBI, which is run by Government of India. So like that, brokerages firms are registered under SEBI, so that I would say all your proofs will be safe and secure. So after paying the account opening fees and after submitting your details and the documents they require, the brokerage firm will take around a minimum of 2 to 3 days to process your documents, and after that you will get your login credentials in your mail. So now you can log into your respective broker through the app they provide or the website, and then you will get the access to all the stocks and commodities in the brokerage accounts platform to access, and then you can look at the charts and build up your strategies, and based on what you know, based on what you have in your knowledge, you can just put up in the charts, and then you can initially what you do is you don't need to put your money directly in the brokerage account and then start trading aggressively. It's not going to be helpful for you. So when you're going to start initially, you will just have the access to whatever stocks you're going to look at, and then what will you do is you will do paper trading first based on the strategies and based on the knowledge you have already. So the first week or 2 weeks you can take to do paper trading and make sure that you are doing good job in the trading. So after that you will get the enough confidence to put in the investment as a money and then start real trading. So a lot of you would have already traded with the bank supported trading accounts, which uses directly the funds from the bank to buy or sell stocks. And when you register to a brokerage firm that is not a bank, you need to link your bank account to your broker's wallet, and you should transfer the amount to your brokerage account, that is as a capital for trading, and then you can take a trade and make profits on it. So again, the next doubt when a beginner comes to trading has is how to securely transfer my money from my bank account to unknown brokerage account. So again, I will see the same answer, because the brokerage account you are registered is registered under a SEBI already, so that is so secure for you to move your money inside, and then it will always be under your control, and you can withdraw your money whenever you want, and maybe it will take maximum of 24 to 48 hours for the money to reflect back in your account. So that's so safe again to put in money as a capital and start trading. So that's a wrap for this video, and it's just a beginning of trading, like how to open a trading account and how to start trading. The real part comes when you put in your real money and you start trading in a live market. So I'll be posting more contents related to the strategies and the technical analysis about entry and exit points of our trades, and all you need to do is to keep supporting and make sure you subscribe our channel so that you'll be updated with more videos that we provide. And if you want to open a trading account, which I use personally, I have given the link in the description. You can just click on it and you can follow the procedure which I said previously, and see you in the next video.